Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by protecting the system. Create a restore point and note the device model and current driver version so you can revert if needed. Open Device Manager to identify flagged devices and their hardware ID. This tells you exactly which driver to fetch. Download drivers from the manufacturer or trusted repository and save them to a known folder. Once done, close background apps and disable antivirus temporarily if the installer requests it, making sure to re-enable protection immediately after installation. You now perform the actual replacement. If the vendor advises, uninstall the old driver from Device Manager to remove conflicting files. Then run the OEM installer, or, alternatively, choose Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer, and point to the downloaded INF or driver folder. Verify the digital signature and version before accepting prompts. Unsigned drivers can cause instability. Install one device at a time to isolate issues, and make sure to follow any hardware-specific steps, like flashing firmware or rebooting between installs to finalize driver registration. You finish by rebooting and verifying the device works, and the driver version matches what you installed. Run a quick stress or functionality test to confirm stability. If problems appear, immediately use Device Manager right arrow properties, right arrow rollback driver, or restore the earlier system point you created. If rollback fails, reboot into safe mode to uninstall the problematic driver and install a stable version instead. One key tip: safe mode lets you remove drivers without third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.